Not the prettiest of all mornings, but hopefully I'll still get something on camera. Looking for the boardwalk, and I think it's just ahead. Okay, so the boardwalk ends. This is where Key Vista Nature Park starts. And right off to the left here, we can access the water. There's a little hawk flying. Did not pick a particularly beautiful morning for this outing. I really wish there was some sunshine right now. It would make everything that much more pretty. It looks super remote, and it's not. It's just nestled along the coast, and Clode Key is right across from the coastline right here to my left. You can hear ospreys calling, and if there was just a touch of sunshine this morning. Oh, I think I found the overlook, or the outlook tower. It's gonna be windy up there. There are so many water access points off this trail. It is really cool. I just wish I had better luck with the weather today. It's windy. It's cold. And because of the low tide this morning, you can kind of scoot through this mangrove area. That is cool.